When you told the instructor your dog ate your homework. You're trying to leave the party, but the host brings out another tray of appetizers. Council is meeting to discuss who actually runs this house, and the cat is clearly losing the debate. I told my dog I had to go to work, and he immediately initiated the witness protection protocol.
Oh, there's a little baby at the back.
Okay, are you all done? Okay.
The beat drops, but you realize you forgot to take the chicken out of the freezer. Your tail is. You try to reach out to your. Siamese is waiting for the physics engine to glitch while the tabby is out here trying to summon the spirit of the great kitchen drawer. One more tap and they either unlock the secrets of the universe.
Okay, Bubba, let's step it up. Show me the apple.
The mailman is 5 minutes late and you have to take matters into your own paws. This is no longer a delivery service, it is now a mobile barking unit. Rate my 1010 cos. Spend 3 hours at the gym but still can't figure out how to open a snack. Wallet is currently being held hostage by a fluffy cloud who clearly thinks my budget for cat treats is far too low. King of the Hill just dropped and the competition is absolutely taking itself out. This is exactly how an email that could have been a meeting feels. Finally see the face of the person who has been talking trash about you all night. You are trying to act tough, but the forehead kisses start and your entire personality evaporates. From fierce predator to a literal puddle in 5 frames flat. Overriding. The boss asks for a quick sync, but you are all ready.
Found these four sneaking into my pasture, and I don't know what to do. Why are they cute at this?
You finally find that one friend who is as loud and dramatic as you are.
Oh, no, no, no.
I told him we were out of treats and he literally transcended.
Are you being a good little brother? You giving Dirk licky?
𝐀𝐳𝐢𝐬𝐴NGULAR, a dangerous right-handed batter. Here's the pitch.
Your corgi reaches for a high note, but the cat hits the mute button. The moment you realize the gift is... Their swimming is 1010, but his actual water displacement is roughly 0. He is doing all the work while his human does all the carrying. Definitely a management level employee in the making. Asked for a high five, not a restraining order.
Thanks.
Thought we were having a standoff until he realized he could just use me as a bridge. Underestimation was my first mistake.
Huh?
You tell the dog to stay, but the floor is... And he realized why they call it the king of fruits. Now he is questioning every life choice that led him to this bedroom. This cat did not sign up for a biological warfare simulation. He is currently looking for the receipt so he can exchange his...
Creepy.
Human says we are going to the park, but then parks the bike and leaves you there for an hour. You start making some executive interior design. Your curiosity is at a 10, but your coordination is...
Just woke up from a nap. Want to say good morning?
You try to leave for work, but your dog is the manager of the HR department.
It's windy. It's so windy outside for you.
The mirror finally tells you that you aren't the thinnest one in the kingdom. Local land cat attempts to baptize Seed Potato and immediately regrets the career change.
What the heck?
Alright, get in here.
Okay, I guess you can come too. Where's the dog?
Service in this kitchen is so slow that I have to take matters into my own hands and play the drums with my bowl to get any attention.